Hello guys, in the last video we introduced ourselves to codeigniter PHP framework. In this video we want to extract the version 3.11. okay, we have downloaded the codeigniter that we have downloaded. We want to extract it, and we want to make sure that we save it to our www directory and go to our browser to test and see how codeigniter itself looks like. Beautiful. So it has been extracted, and this is it here. This is it. So guys, let's quickly rename this folder to codeigniter 11. Okay, beautiful. So guys, let's cut the folder from here, go to your www directory and paste it. Good, this is it. If we go to our browser and type 127.0.0.1 codeigniter 11, enter. Beautiful. You are going to see a welcome message for you that this is codeigniter. If you have successfully installed this, or if you have this on your screen, congratulations, because you have just successfully set up codeigniter on our local server. Now let me quickly explain something. I typed 127.0.0.1, okay, to this will display all the files, all the folder rather, inside www directory, okay, but I want to pick this folder, and that is why I have just typed it manually /codeigniter_11, okay. In some version of codeigniter you have to type localhost. It's still the same thing, but my operating system Windows 10 does not accept this, okay. So generally 127.0.0.1 we do the job for us, okay. So this is it. This, what you can see on the screen, is coming from the views folder, okay, and we are able to load this view file, okay, with the help of our controller, okay. So controllers allow us to load our welcome message, okay, and there is something called route, okay. So route is pointing to controller, which controller? Welcome controller, and this welcome is loading this welcome message. Don't be scared guys, don't worry, we are going to demystify everything, and I can assure you that you are going to understand what is going on. In the next video we are going to briefly explain how codeigniter works with a simple diagram, and the diagram, we are going to get the diagram inside this user guide. Don't forget, I told you that codeigniter has a powerful documentation, and to learn any new language, always communicate with the documentation. Therefore, we are going to introduce ourselves to the codeigniter documentation, and we are going to explain one or two things there before we now break down the codeigniter itself. Thank you guys. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.